Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix Instagram white screen and not working problem. See, this is the problem, Instagram not working. How to fix it? Okay, let's get start. First open your phone settings and scroll down. Now click on the apps icon and scroll down. Now search Instagram app. Now click on the Instagram app and click on the first stops. Okay, scroll down. Now click on the storage option. Now click on the clear cache and click on the clear data. Now click on the delete data. Okay, back and click on the permission option and allow all permission. Calendar allow, call logs allow, camera allow only while using the app, location allow, contacts allow, nearby device allow, notification enable, phone allow, photos and videos always allow all. Okay, back. Then click on the Google Play Store app and now search here Instagram app. Now check update your Instagram app. My Instagram app already updated. Now click on the Instagram app. See, Instagram app updated. Now update Instagram app. And now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. And now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. And I hope your problem has been solved successful.